Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add friends on Pokemon TCG Pocket. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Pokemon TCG game, and once you're inside here, what you need to do in order to add friends is simply tap on this icon that is shown right here, and once you tap on it, here you'll be sent to your social ops section. Now in order to add friends, all you gotta do is tap on this friends option right here, and on tapping it, here you'll find the friends section. Now in order to add, simply tap on this add icon on the top right with a person icon, and once you tap on it, here what you need to do is tap on this search for player box. All you gotta do is type in the ID of your friend, and once you have typed in the ID and tap on done, here your friend's name will be displayed. Simply tap on the friend, and then you'll have add option right beside it, and tap on that and your friend will be added. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.